Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ada here, and today we are going to be cleaning up the two bedrooms that I have in this house. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and I hope it gives you the motivation that you need to get up and start cleaning as well. So guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I do everything cleaning, motivation, hauls, organization, lifestyle, motherhood, and all the vlogs. So you're welcome to my channel. If this looks like the type of content you like watching, please do go ahead and click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell as well, so you don't miss my upload. So guys, before we get started in this video, please do go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and at the end of this video, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to, of course, like this video and leave your comments. So I use the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. What I do first is I like pour that in the toilet and then close it before I start my other cleaning. That gives it time to do its work. This bathroom was a mess, you guys. Everywhere was just so messed up. So I was like, I need to clean this, but let me show you guys. Why not just go ahead and show you guys how I clean up this bathroom. So you guys, what I have in this bottle right here is my vinegar, my cleaning vinegar. I get that from the Dollar Tree. I tell you guys, like, all my cleaning supplies, or mostly the Clorox, I think I get that from Walmart, but then all my cleaning supplies I get from, all other cleaning supplies I get from Dollar Tree. And after spraying my vinegar, I go ahead and pour in some baking soda on there. I already told you guys, baking soda does wonders when it comes to cleaning and just cleaning entirely, making things odorless or something. Like, it just helps with the odor and everything, and it cleans like this sink bowl real good. It cleans very well. So that's baking soda and vinegar. Don't mind if you can see me holding my phone. I was on the phone with my sister. We were just talking, and I just had to, when the discussion is just so interesting that you cannot just leave one. I had to do the cleaning and do the talking as well. So you can see what the toilet, the sink bowl is looking like right now. So now I'm going to go ahead and clean up the mirror. So now I pulled out everything in this, what's it called, in this the under sink area. So I'm going to be arranging that back up. so now you guys, coming back to the main focus again, which is the same the bathtub area. It was so like, I don't know why bathtubs get so dirty. I mean, I guess I know why, because of course you bathe in it, but it was just so messy. So I had to use my baking soda again and my cleaning vinegar. When I spray that, I leave it for a little bit and then I go ahead to, before I start cleaning up. So I don't know why I forgot to actually film this, like make a video of that part. But after removing the shower curtain, I had a new shower curtain that I put in. After that, I had a new shower curtain that I put in, and I got that from Amazon. You guys will be seeing it in the next cleaning, when next I am cleaning this bathroom. That curtain is so beautiful. Like, I just love it like that. It's more like a transparent something. You guys will see it when next I am cleaning this bathroom again. So after that, I went ahead to wipe down the walls of the bathroom, whatever it's called, the tiles. So now I am back at the top to finally give it the final cleaning. And I also forgot to tell you guys, I had like like a soap, that I also used in cleaning, because definitely the vinegar and the baking soda will not, it does the job, but I guess I just like going extra when cleaning. I just want it to be clean, clean, clean. Like, you guys, whenever I want to wash the toilet, I don't know why, but when I'm watching these videos, I'm like, damn girl, you are always, it looks like I do too much, but I'm like, no, it needs to be clean. Like, when something needs to be clean, it needs to be clean. I don't think there's any too much in it. So look at it, just look at, take a sneak peek at how that bathtub is looking. Now you can see inside the toilet bowl, you can see how clean it is. I haven't even touched it. All I did was pour in the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner, and this is how it's already looking. So you guys, I am done with the first bedroom, and we'll be going back to the second bedroom to clean up. Look at how clean that is looking. Like, look at how clean everywhere is looking. I don't know, but when the house is clean, I think you seem to be more happy when the house is clean. So look at that. Hey. So look at all that. Look at how clean everywhere is looking. Yeah, I have not put in the shower curtain at this point, but I definitely put it later on. I forgot to show you guys, but you guys will see it in my next in the next video that I post whenever I'm doing cleaning again. And this is the second bathroom, which is my kids' bathroom. So of course that's where the what's it called, the laundry basket is and everything, because their bathroom is bigger, it has more space and all that. You can keep that kids bath mat and all that. So I'm going to be cleaning this one as well. If you've come to this far in this video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking with me and watching and supporting your girl. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like this video, share, and leave a comment down below for me. Tell me your favorite part about this cleaning and tell me what you think. And also, if you have any video ideas that you want me to do for you, please do go ahead and tell me the video ideas in the comment section. I'll gladly do that for you guys as well. Yeah, so keep watching and I'll definitely see you guys at the end. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video, and we will be seeing how this bedroom comes out next. And that little man would never let me be, he would never let me do anything alone. So you guys, this is what it turns out to be. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. I'll see you guys next. Bye.